Okay, first step before you band the bundle is we're going to make sure that all our pipe are snug up against the bundling rack so there's no room to move, and we're going to make sure that all our dunnage is hammered in so it's snug against the pipe. Okay, now on the buckle, you'll notice that one side has a smaller spread on it. That's the side that we're going to be hooking up to the cord strap first. So take your cord strap, lettering facing up, and you fold it back. Give yourself at least 6 inches or so. And then slide it through the back of the buckle and wrap it around that one hook. Just like that. Then we're going to throw that over top of the bundle and come back underneath the bundle. Okay, so now that we've got our strap over the bundle, if you're having any trouble getting the strap back under the bundle, what we do is we've got a piece of steel banding that we leave laying underneath the bundling rack, and all we're going to do is hook this piece of banding to the buckle, and then we're going to pull it back through from the other side. Alright, now back on this side of the bundle, we're just going to pull that banding through to this side. We'll grab our buckle off there, and we're ready to start tensioning it. Okay, so we've thrown our strap over and back under our bundle. We're going to take the top part of the strap here, we're going to fold it in half again. We're going to slide it through the back end of the buckle just like we did the first time. And this time we're going to hook it up to the other end of the clip. Okay, now that it's hooked up, we're going to pull it tight, as snug as we can. And from here we're ready to use our banding tool. Okay, now we're always going to band from the side of the clip that has the larger spread on it. So let's go ahead and we're going to grab our banding tool. We're going to slide it onto our banding there. Okay, now that's going to stay in place. Our second piece of banding there goes through the shear and then through the drum. And we're going to keep going until this is tight. Now you can get this pretty tight, okay? So we can keep going. You're going to start to see some of the plastic start to fray a little bit, but that's perfectly fine. That's what you want. Okay, so now we're tight. Notice that the buckle is fully closed on the top and on the bottom. We can tug on that, and I can hardly move it. Okay, so now that we got it fully tensioned and our buckle is closed, in order to remove this banding tool and cut the strapping, we're just going to flip up this red lever and then pull up on the handle, and then we can remove our banding tool. Okay, now one of the main reasons we put our buckle near the bottom of the bundle is so that when we go to cut it, all we're going to do is place one hand above where we're going to cut and cut below that hand. See, the excess didn't go flying over the bundle, and because that buckle was right next to the ground, It just hit the ground and ended there. Okay, now when you're going to cut a strap for any reason, you go ahead and you grab the buckle so it doesn't become a projectile, and then you cut below it.